in the prophetic, miracles and wonders. In Burundi, from 17th to 20th November, God's power gonna be manifested in SABAOTH Church. All the way from Zambia, Prophet Didi Isaac, together with Prophet of Jesus, gonna bring healing down and God's glory in a higher dimension. On Thursday 17th, opening the crusade in the higher level of the prophetic. On Friday 18th, with God's mouth open in prophetic declarations. On Saturday 19th, God's power encounter in instant miracles. On Sunday 20th, final day in the prophetic, healing, deliverance, and TikTok miracles. I wish you not to miss this coming opportunity. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page for more updates. May God keep you safe till this coming season. See you in November. Shalom.